being brushless, I've noticed it doesn't heat up like it did. I had a lot of overheating problems with that one. I mean, a lot. It would heat up. You have to let it sit for probably 20-30 minutes before you can do anything.
The battery seemed to last a nice long time. Yeah, we may only just have to change out the pack once.
Sometimes I don't charge it for 2 or 3 days.
The battery lasts for, I mean, for me, 3 or 4 days, so that's great.
You know, I can really feel and control the drill just with my fingertip, which I like. I've never bogged this out. I've never had it stall out on me.
That's nice. That's lightweight. Feels good. I'm so used to them big bulky ones throughout the years, you know what I mean?
The whole overall weight of the drill is a lot better. It's a much lighter drill.
And it's just kind of, it's real well balanced. And I like the fact that it is short enough that I can get it between a stud bag. So the fact that this is compact is nice.
I love the fact that it has a metal chuck. A lot of drills that I've used have that plastic chuck on there. This thing really bites down. You don't have to worry about it coming loose.
It's got a great little light down here. It's great for aligning and seeing your marks.
Light position is pretty good because it's, you know, shining right where you're working.
Most advanced, lightweight, compact, 16-gauge cordless finish nailer. Fueled by DeWalt's 20-volt max lithium-ion battery and XR brushless motor, this finish nailer is ready to fire with the power to countersink 16-gauge, 2.5-inch angled finish nails into oak. No compressors, no hoses, and no gas is required for operation, so you can get right to the job without the additional expense or hassle. Equipped with our XR brushless motor, this next-generation cordless finish nailer is 1 inch shorter and 2.3 pounds lighter than our previous cordless finish nailer. It's ready to fire in sequential or bump actuation modes with bright LED lights that help illuminate your work surface. This nailer has enough runtime to fire up to 800 nails on a single charge. And since it's part of our ever-expanding 20-volt max extreme runtime system, this nailer shares the same batteries you already utilize on the job site. The DCN 660 ready-to-fire 16-gauge cordless finish nailer, designed to be your primary finish nailer and built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.
Exclusive Tough Track tooth design delivers accurate tracking over the life of the blade by removing dust and debris from the cutting channel. Reinforced shoulders and tungsten carbide teeth improve durability and extend blade life. Patented body slots help the blade move through material with reduced vibration for a smooth, true cut. Again and again. Keeps on tracking. DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
The most durable box levels in the industry, delivering guaranteed accuracy every single time. Levels take a serious beating on the job site. You need a solution that's built to survive in the harshest job site conditions. Red Stick box levels feature an all-metal reinforced backbone that delivers the strongest, most durable frame against leading competitors. This creates a more secure vial setting to protect accuracy and prevent damage or loosening. Sharp side vial technology provides the best readability of any other vial. Don't worry if you drop this. Our high-impact acrylic is 10 times more durable than competitive levels. A magnified bubble is 2 times larger than competitive vials to ensure a fast, accurate read. Red Stick box levels contain amplified rare earth magnets, providing 2 times stronger holding power compared to others on the market. For users who need a smaller profile box level, we're introducing Red Stick compact box levels, built on a compact box level frame. These levels are designed for tight access use or job site installation applications with smaller working surfaces. We are confident in our red stick levels, and we back them with a lifetime accuracy guarantee. Experience the most durable box levels in the industry, delivering guaranteed accuracy every single time. Milwaukee Red Stick Box Levels.
Stud tape measure is the industry's most durable tape measure. Stud features up to 17 feet of reach, letting you take longer measurements and reach further. Tape measures take a beating on the job site. The Stud tape measure stands above the rest with a fully reinforced frame and XO360 blade technology that delivers the longest lasting blade. So while taking measurements on rough or abrasive surfaces, whether through bending or retracting, your tape measure blade is rip and wear resistant and will outlast any other tape measure blade in the industry. A fully reinforced frame and overmold deliver the best impact resistance, ensuring Stud will survive an 80-foot drop. Experience the industry's most durable tape measure and put it to the test.